Hello everyone, welcome to another sequel to Life is Short. Anyway, I studied this print. I took a good long hard look at it and I like the textures, but I want to tone down the busyness and true to my nature, I cannot leave well enough alone. I want to add something to this. So I cut these pieces of paper. This is drawing paper. It's like a bond paper. And I cut them into strips very randomly. No straight lines, no smooth edges. And I just arrange them at random, like so. And I'm hoping that this will form a kind of screen, like a mesh. And I intended to print like a transparent, either a transparent white or parchment color. I don't know, but I won't know until I get there. So anyway, these are firmly stuck on the plate because I cleaned the plate and I oiled it before this printing session. And so I'm going to go ahead and I think I will use parchment. Actually, this might be an interesting solution. It's metallic pearl. This might be semi-transparent. I've never used it as an overlay before. And it might do the trick. I'm just putting a very thin layer. No, I just hope these paper stencils won't lift off. Sometimes they do. They're not as sturdy as the reusable stencils. So I have to be very careful. Okay, now I hope that is the right thickness. And the unfortunate nature of this paper stencil, it's a one-use thing. I can't reuse these because once the paper gets wet, they just fall apart. they even fall apart as I'm taking them off. Just making sure my hands are clean. And let's see how this works out. So here is the print with the different textures. And hopefully this will give it some different dimension, a different layer. Okay, so I will leave this on for about 5 minutes, and hopefully the iridescent white will make a good transfer. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes. Oh, I think the transfer is very successful. And the registration is pretty decent. It does pay off to clean the plate with oil, with baby oil. I find this a little more interesting. Don't you think? By adding this translucent layer, gives a little more dimension to it and structure. Because before I found it too freeform, and in my prints I'd like to have some kind of structure, some kind of, I call it a scaffolding, something to build on. And this layer of white provides that structure. So I went with my instincts and I was right. I'm happy about that. They're not always right, but like I say all the time, you won't know until you try. So anyway, thank you for watching this short video, and I hope to see you next time.